First, let me congratulate you and the other officers for your election to lead us in this 4th FSM Constitutional Convention. You have my full support. I must first give thanks to the Almighty for this life we all have together, especially as we begin a new year. Please allow me to join you and others in paying my respect to the traditional leaders of the country and of course traditional leaders throughout our nation as well, for allowing us to hold our meeting here in beautiful Pohnpei. I must also accord special recognition to the traditional leaders who are members and colleagues on this 4th Constitutional Convention. There is no doubt your input into our deliberation on matters pertaining to tradition and customs will be beneficial to our work. And if I may, please accept my apology in advance if I fail to address you with the proper customary and traditional etiquettes throughout our con interaction and deliberation. Let me also pay my respect to the President of the FSM, the Vice President, the Speaker, and members of the 21st FSM Congress, our FSM Supreme Court Chief Justice, and the public servants for their support in this convention. Likewise, I extend my humble respect to the governors of the states and members of their state legislatures, their con representatives, dignitaries for their collective wisdom in supporting the necessity to have the 4th Constitutional Convention. Mr. President, I will remiss if I don't say my elitungkilisadrapur to the Mortlock people who elected Delegate Peter Sitan and myself to represent them in this 4th Constitutional Convention. Also with admiration and acknowledgement to those candidates who, like us, wanted to represent them. To them, at elitungkilisadrapur, Renatana Nifiditong Medibeo. Finally, my supporting wife, who's here, children and family and friends are of course my strength in this special constitutional undertaking. The preamble of Constitution begins with the words, "We the people of Micronesia." It is a great reminder to all of us that the people are the guardians of the Constitution. This is confirmed in Articles 2, Section 1, where it says, "This Constitution is the expression of the sovereignty of the people and is the supreme law of the FSM." Our founding fathers fought very hard to unite us as a political family under one flag, affirming unity, sovereignty, and our inherent differences as our identity as a people. It is not an accident that we are here today under that vision, embracing that diversity. Diversity is our strength. Today we are revisiting that vision of strengthening our existence through this Constitutional Convention. We want to revisit provisions of our Constitution that appear to be counterproductive to our national development agenda. The provisions of our Constitution that are no longer relevant must be changed for the better. Mr. President, it is probably unorthodox of me at this time to comment on the outcome of our work, as we haven't even started. But what I've sensed so far from our consultations is so far very encouraging. The passion and wisdom expressed by you honorable delegates made me proud of the work we are about to do together. However heated our debate may be, it's because of our passion and commitment to have a nation united in peace and liberty as we redesign our Constitution to transform the life and welfare of our people to higher standard. Clearly, we must put the interests of our people at heart and core of our deliberation and decision. With that said, let me highlight a parameter I set for myself during this 4th CONCON as guiding principle with the hope perhaps they can be useful to others. First, I will not support any proposal that will have the appearance of dividing our nation. While we should learn from history, I will not support any proposal that will use history as an excuse not to advance our national interest. And lastly, while the Constitution should remain the supreme law of the land, I would support proposed amendments that are pragmatic, relevant, realistic, and forward-looking. Mr. President and honorable delegates, thank you for your attention. I pledge full cooperation to work with each and every one of you during this 4th FSM Conference. Thank you.